So let's unbox this Sony ZV-E10. It's already been opened at the shop, but I was not there, so that does not count. Okay, there you go. Alright. We have logo looks different, so this is not the shop where we bought our Insta360. Total price is what? 5,990? Or is it 4,980? 4,980 Hong Kong dollars. It's around 600 US dollars, something like that. Okay, but this is for the kit, kit package. I mean, you got the body and the kit along with it. So what we have here, no idea. It's in Chinese. We have the, I guess, the quick startup guide, more reference guides in English and in other languages, and then finally, oh, we get to the part where it's the actual camera. Okay. Oh my god, it's an early Christmas gift. Plug, power cord, depending on what country you're in. USB-A to USB-C. Cord, connecting cord. This is perhaps the battery. Oh, look at how tiny that is. I'm not sure. Oh, it's a Sony NPFW50. Sorry, that's Sony. Oh, I thought it might be an extra battery, but this is the power adapter. And then the strap. It's good that comes with a free strap. Oh, there's one more. What is this? Oh, this is the dead cat. There you go. So put it there. And then finally, we get to the actual camera. Set this aside. There you go. And the truth. Oh my god. Did I wash my hands? Oh my god. This is amazing. I didn't know that the kit lens is already attached to the camera. Usually it's in a separate compartment. But wow, look at that. There you go. As you know, it doesn't have a viewfinder. It just has this this articulating screen. There. So this is the new old Sony ZV-E10. Sony Alpha ZV-E10 with a 3.5 to 5.6 16 to 50 mm kit lens with optical steady shot. There. Cool. Thanks for watching.